It's park, right? No. It's like if you shift into parking, right? And then you actually feel it because it goes like that. But it's a normally on or normally off?
Normally on.
It's on normally off, right? See, it's normally off, right? Now, how does it operate mechanically? How does the parking pole operate mechanically?
When you put it in park.
See this right here? Okay, this is going to come in, and as it comes in, it's going to push this pole, and it's going to engage it like that because it comes in, and it's bigger, and it's going to shoot this way, right? You guys see this? It's operated from this side.
So
Electrically,
it uses
electrical.
an actuator, or
I think it uses an actuator.
so if
So
it
it's
was
electrical.
normally off, then it would be drawing power all the time if it was
I know.
when
So,
the vehicle's off.
so maybe we can figure that out. You know,
So-
maybe we can see if it's actually pressurized or not pressurized or some kind of
So
another
probably
way.
in a natural when
Because no electrical,
when it's
there's no-
de-energized, probably